Today, we're going to talk about that dollar Dogecoin price that I know so many people, probably millions of people, are looking and hoping for across the globe, as Dogecoin is the #1 cryptocurrency meme token by market cap in this space right now. And Elon Musk recently tweeted about it, but we didn't get a pump. Why is this happening? And what is going on with the Dogecoin whales who are preparing millions of dollars to sell off right now on Binance? I'm going to get into all this news and more, looking at the potential price targets for Dogecoin in this bull market and seeing once and for all if Dogecoin can hit that $1 price level that, again, so many millions of people, I'm sure, want across the globe. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Let's get into this video and kick it off. Do me a favor, smash a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoyed this type of content. And let's start off by taking a peek at Bitcoin, which at the time of this recording is at $63,000. We've already hit a previous all-time high earlier this year for Bitcoin, and Dogecoin hasn't even come close to achieving its previous all-time highs yet. Now, just to start this thing off, if Dogecoin was to hit its previous all-time high alone, that takes us up to 60 cents, which is a 5.69x from here. And I'll say this, guys, I think that a 5x for Dogecoin is absolutely easy in this bull market because of what we see coming with institutional investors coming into the space. And let's talk a little bit about Elon Musk. Now, after I talk about the fear of the potential sell-off. So first off, guys, there is some fear over this massive transfer of Dogecoin to Binance. Actually, $13.3 million was transferred by a Dogecoin whale over to Binance, which is causing some fear of a potential sell-off. Now, the good news is $13.3 million, though it is a lot of money. When you look at a Dogecoin market cap of $15 billion, $13 million is nothing. It's a drop in the bucket. This is just a news article to scare people. This is what we like to call in the crypto space FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There are whales moving money all the time with Dogecoin, with Shiba Inu. That really is not, with $13 million whale, just one whale is not going to affect the future trajectory of Dogecoin. And so we can kind of put that to rest. But how can we get that 5x out of Dogecoin? And can Dogecoin achieve $1? Well, what's interesting is recently we saw Elon Musk actually tweet about this. Now, this gets a little bit political, and I'm not going to get into that, but essentially, one of the presidential candidates, if they get elected, is now thinking about maybe giving him a spot, in the administration. And then he tweeted this out as a joke, DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency. This was a fake title that was potentially going to be given to Musk if one president does get elected in this election. I'm sure you know who that is by now. But even though Doge was on this tweet back on August 19th, we didn't really have a big pump out of Dogecoin on that, which is actually crazy to me because if you look and see what Dogecoin has done in the past on Elon Musk's tweet, actually my partner on his YouTube channel, he recently came out with a very, very good point, actually in a tweet that I wanted to share with you guys very quickly, tweeting this as CryptoFace, one of the big YouTubers out there, said the rate cut is going to be the ultimate pump and dump, mark my words, and putting out a poll. My partner on this channel, Black Sea, responded, there's so much hype building up to it. Same feeling as when Elon Musk went on SNL and Doge dumping, but on a much grander scale. Interesting point. For those of you guys that might have missed it, Elon Musk at one point in the last bull cycle went on SNL to talk during the time where Dogecoin was going crazy. Every tweet he put out about Dogecoin was huge, and people thought when he went on SNL, it was going to go to $1. Well, unfortunately, it actually dumped when he did end up going on SNL. And very strangely enough, now we're not even seeing any price momentum when he's tweeting about Doge. Now, maybe this wasn't as a direct tweet towards Doge that's going to cause some price momentum. But the reason I'm talking about Elon Musk and the potential dollar is because this is something that I see a lot of people forgetting. Elon Musk has been teasing an everything app for a very long time. X is obviously growing in popularity right now, aka, Twitter. And what his goal is with this platform is to make it the everything app, where at one point he might even integrate financial services into this, whether it's banking and borrowing and lending, and who knows, maybe even stock trading, maybe crypto trading. And if he makes Dogecoin a primary token for this app, that could be huge for the price action on Dogecoin. And if he starts tweeting about that and this actually becomes a reality, which I think it will at some point, we could see this in 2025. I think that's when the biggest part of this bull market is going to occur at this point. These are things that could drive Dogecoin to $1. Now, I believe that Dogecoin easily can achieve its previous all-time high because I like to look at the total market cap for crypto all the time, knowing that Bitcoin has already taken out a new all-time high, but knowing that since we've had the Bitcoin halving for Bitcoin, we actually have not seen Bitcoin take a new all-time high since the Bitcoin halving. And historically, we've seen the total market cap for cryptocurrency and Bitcoin take new all-time highs after this event, the Bitcoin halving, which occurred earlier this year. And some people, experts included, believe that, we could see this total market cap for crypto go upwards of $10 trillion. Now, in the previous bull market, Dogecoin achieved a market cap of about $88 billion, which is crazy for a meme token. But right now, again, this thing is way down from its previous all-time highs, approximately 5 or 6x from its previous all-time highs. And that would bring us up to 60 or 70 cents. Can Dogecoin go to $1? Can it double its previous market cap high? I do think that's possible because I expect the total market cap to at least double its previous all-time high because we're seeing some of the largest asset managers in the world get into cryptocurrency like BlackRock, Fidelity, you name it, some of the biggest banks on planet Earth. We're seeing governments get more and more bullish on cryptocurrency. And if Elon Musk does launch that everything app and integrate Dogecoin as one of the central cryptocurrencies for this app, however that pans out, that would be one of those factors that could help drive this price higher. Now, regardless if that happens or not, I do expect Dogecoin to achieve its previous all-time highs. In fact, I expect it to surpass it, and I do think there's a chance that Dogecoin could even reach $1 without that news from Elon Musk. Honestly, I really do believe this. Do you guys disagree? Do you agree? Let me know what your thoughts are on Dogecoin in the comments down below. That is all I have for you guys in this one. Now, let me say this. I don't think Dogecoin could go to $10. Maybe it could go to $1, $2, $3 at best, but $1, I feel like that's a good target. Let me know what your thoughts are again in the comments down below. DCA HODL, guys. Until next time, please remember, do your own research. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.